the third point that I want to emphasize today is temperature and okay, I'm gonna put these two together, right? Because temperature and when to filter. Now, makgeolli is very seasonal, you know, and there's different recipes that were tailored to be made for each specific season, because everything, as you guys know, when you deal with fermentation, it's all about the temperature and the time. And if you respect those two things, then you're not going to mess it up, right?
What is this?
So just remember this one thing. I want you to remember this one thing. And it's easy, okay? If I'm cold, your makgeolli is cold. If I'm hot, then your makgeolli is hot. So I don't know if your room is a little bit cooler or if it's hotter, or you know. But you know, if you're hot in a certain room, then you got to do something about it, okay? And if you're too cold, if your room is cold, then you got to do something about that too, okay? Now, essentially, people brew during the spring or in the fall. Well, again, people like to brew during those two seasons because there's not much to take care of temperature. It's great, you know, especially when making makgeolli. At least, you know, you just leave it out and, you know, and it does its thing, right?
There it is.
However, when it comes to summer and winter, you gotta watch out. I hope that these three things, at least you keep in mind, you know, and I'm definitely sure that it will help you in your makgeolli brewing journey. So long, my friends.
Where's the rest? Yeah, where's the rest?
If you have questions, write down below, and I love to see what kind of problems you have when it comes to makgeolli brewing. And yeah, I'll do my best to make another video. So I really want to drink makgeolli, but this is gonna blow up on me still. So